Hello friends, if you are owning a WordPress website, you must have seen this message: briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute. And this is very embarrassing for us. If you are having a WordPress site and it goes like this, then you need to find an immediate solution because your website is live. So you might have seen multiple video how to handle this situation. In all the video it has been said that go to your FTP login and delete the .maintenance file located in the root folder. So it can be a solution, but I am not going to tell you this. I am going to tell you the actual and suitable solution through which you can handle this embarrassing situation. So what to do? First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, so you should subscribe this, because I'm always willing to tell you the suitable solutions of WordPress and which may be very helpful for your WordPress website. So today only WordPress released the new version called WordPress 5.6 and please update it now. This is the alert for everyone and I also got the same alert. And once I got this alert, I found that there is a plugin called WooCommerce. This is the important plugin which I am using on my website, and most of people are using for e-commerce solution for this with this plugin. And when I attempted to update the plugin first, I got this message that briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute. Then what I did, first of all, I did not took that step, that is the deleting the .maintenance file from my web server, because WordPress is having an itself healing solution. That means you need not do anything if you see this message, for your website, and while you get this during the updation of any plugin which is available, I am saying which is available freely for update. Let us say WooCommerce is available freely for update, and during that update if you encounter this message, then don't do this step, that is don't try to delete the .maintenance file, because that file is very important for your WordPress website for itself correction, automatic update and automatic rectifying the solution. So don't delete this. If you see this message, don't delete .maintenance file in haste, in a hurry. That will be helpful in automatic recovering your site. So first of all, I am writing here, don't delete .maintenance file. So if you don't delete this file, don't delete the maintenance file which is located in the root folder of WordPress installation. If you don't delete, how it will rectify it? So just wait for a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and keep refreshing your main URL, that is home URL. Just in case if you are having the URL abc.com, just keep. So what I am saying, just keep refreshing your main URL, that is your domain name kept in browser. So just try to refresh in every 2 or 3 minutes. So in every 2 or 3 minutes, just keep refreshing and wait for the automatic handling option. I mean automatic handling crawl for WordPress, which goes in backend itself. You have nothing to do, and don't try to delete the .maintenance file. Now this is not the main problem. It heals at itself. In my situation, it recovered automatically. I just kept refreshing the that is WordPress themes.co.in is my main domain, and I kept refreshing and I came to this page. But the problem still remains. The another problem, you can say that an automated WordPress update has failed and to complete, please attempt to update it now. When I click on this, because what I found, I faced this error while I was updating. I have yet not updated the WordPress main core. I was just trying to update the plugin called WooCommerce, and it is saying the an automated update has failed. Please try to do it manually. So, but what is the problem? Problem is simple. The problem is simple, but the solution is bit technical, because what I seen, I was just updating the WooCommerce plugin, but in plugins now, if we go in plugins, because I faced this error while updating the WooCommerce, I'll check what is the situation of WooCommerce. I can see the WooCommerce is now not available, and there was a message here that WooCommerce has been deactivated. Somehow it is not being viewed because I refreshed this page, but there was a message here only that the WooCommerce file is not available, because deactivated, because the file is not available. But where is WooCommerce? I was updating that same, and here is no WooCommerce. Now I opened my web hosting. This is the web hosting, and if I go to the file manager and go to the WP content and plugins, WooCommerce is here. You can see WooCommerce is here, but plugin is not available for activation. Drop-in is, let us check the drop-in. It is not here, and all are active, list all are active. So what can be the solution of this? So general people, what the general people will do, what you will do, what generally developers do in this situation, they feel that the WooCommerce is not available. So let us reinstall the WooCommerce. So let us try to do this. I am doing everything live, so that you may understand the situation very well, and you may handle the situation accurately. What is the exact solution? So what we will try to install the WooCommerce manually, I mean from the add new plugin section. So I am just trying to install WooCommerce from here. Okay, so where it is? So WooCommerce is here, and somehow this I shown you that the folder is available, and here it is showing install now. That means technically it is not available at my WordPress installation. However, it was there in the plugin folder. WooCommerce are there. I just hit on install. Let us see what happens. Now a message is here: installation failed, destination folder already exists, because as I shown you, the WooCommerce is already here. So what I can do, what we can do at this situation, we can just delete the destination folder WooCommerce, which I am doing here. But what I will advise you strictly, just listen strictly, that take a backup of your database from your server using the backup option of cPanel. You can take several type of backup here. I am simply saying take a backup of database. So I am not showing because it reveals the database name as well. So you should take the database first before doing this activity. So what we have to do, we will delete this WooCommerce folder, because the WordPress installation is saying that the destination folder is already available. So I am just deleting this. Okay, I deleted that. Now we can again go to the WordPress installation and refresh the page, and now we can again try to install the WooCommerce. As you can see, the WooCommerce update came just 19 hours back, that it is applicable for everyone. You may face this issue. This is why I am making this video. It is very important. If you are having a WordPress site, you may face this situation anytime. Now this time activation, installation of WooCommerce from the add new plugin is successful. So I will just activate the plugin. Now this time the WooCommerce has been activated. WooCommerce is here, and now we can visit our website. Yes, let us see any one page. Yes, so if we go to the WooCommerce page option, in which the WooCommerce, yes, it is here only. So we will check all the functions are working or not. Yes, so now WooCommerce is working, but still we have not completed the task for which I am making this video. It may be some bit embarrassing for you that why I am not going to the main issue about because video is made for the briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance, and what I am saying this to you. So now I am on this page. Then an updated version of WordPress is available. You can update the WordPress 5.6 automatically. Now this situation may again occur, and this is why I am making this video exactly. If you are updating the core WordPress, and one another thing before telling you this, you may face that problem, that is while I was updating the WooCommerce on bad side as well, because I just installed the WooCommerce again from the plugin section. If that also fails, what you can do, you can download the WooCommerce or whatever plugin then you are facing WooCommerce directly and update it on your web server that is on in the plugin folder, and just unzip it, and now then you can get the solution, get the plugin up, if that happens with you. But now situation is that we are now going to update the WooCommerce core. Now let us see what happens. This server is my server is very simple. This is why I am sharing this video with all of you, because most of us we are having simple servers, not the dedicated one, because dedicated is too much costly, and most of the websites are running on the shared server, and this is also, my website is also running on shared server. So I am just going to update the WordPress core. But again, what I am saying, that before doing this activity you have to take a backup. Using backup option, you have to take a backup before doing this activity, because it is a core activity and it is major activity, and you may stuck in between, and a backup is necessary because we can restore our website. So use the backup option available on cPanel. So I have initiated a backup and it is going on. It may take a bit time, but I need to wait, and we need to wait in fact before it gets completed, and then we will do the core update of WordPress. So while my backup is going on, I just wrote one line that which we already did in this video, that plugin for which we are running the backup, running the update. It should be there after our website goes up, and it should work, functions should be work there. Plugin function should be there as I seen in our WooCommerce status. And you also have to take a backup, as we are doing, of your database and the home directory using the backup option available at cPanel. Complete now, so you can see this is completed, and now we will go to the core update of WordPress. After taking backup, we are safe now. So here is alerts. So an automated WordPress update is failed to complete. Please attempt the update again now. So I am on this page to attempt the update again now, and we have already seen the plugin WooCommerce, or any for you it can be any other plugin as well. So I am just clicking on the update now. So it will take you to the do core upgrade URL, and it will take some time. So don't try to refresh this page, don't leave this page. It is very important, it may break your site, be careful. Once done, this screen will reach to you, and before that a screen comes for a short or 1 or 2 seconds that it has been done successfully, and this welcome screen comes, that is WordPress 5.6, which has been released by WordPress today itself. And what is the takeaway of this video? While updating, don't make haste. I will write everything here. So our takeaway I will write here. You can take a screenshot of this. And don't make haste. I was saying don't make haste, and don't delete the .maintenance file from your hosting. And if this also gets failed, you have to upload the WordPress core files manually, and how it can be done you may seen in other video, and I am going to make this video how the you can update the WordPress core manually in my next video. I am just starting recording this series, Golden Rules for WordPress. Just subscribe this channel, you will get that video and other important activities for WordPress as well, for keeping your WordPress safe and updated. Thank you for watching. Don't fail to subscribe this channel. I am going to bring very important solutions for you. Thank you very much.